What? I'm Vladi Oliver. In this video, we will see more about management. Before going to the graphic concept, we need to know how to don't do a mess in our project first, okay? Let's do this.
Well, before we learn graphical tools in a software, we need some more management concepts about the project. Let's see how we create a composition. We are here in any project. We will give a reset. File. New project. Don't save. And start with untitled project, okay? This is a default set. This is a very good time in order to save the project and name it correctly. Okay, save as, save as. Go to what? This creating composite. The name that I will give is my project. My project is here, okay? Every project begins this way, and the first thing we should do is create a composition, okay? New composition. The shortcut is Ctrl N, and After Effects, I already leave the composition of the name of the composition underlined in blue, because this is also the right time to choose its name, okay? I will go create name like my composition 001. Original, Well, it's important to consider the correct settings of the composition that we are creating. We are working on the full HDTV format, okay? With this size of the image and another values such as a frame, aspect ratio, duration, frames per second, something like that. If I click on the text box, we can type a new value that we want for duration of our scene, for example. Okay? And these settings can be changed anytime. Composition setting, background color in black, for example. Okay. This is my size, okay? And this, it's a quarter of my size can be visible here, okay? We have composition 1, and we can make a new composition with different setting of the first. Something like web format, for example. And I can double my composition with Ctrl D, okay? If I do this, I can go to the composition settings again, shortcut is Ctrl K, and change for another format, for example NTSC DV, and we can change my background color for blue, for example. Okay, it's only to differentiate this and this. In this case, composition setting, we can change the background color to red. Well, with the several different compositions, only 3 there, we need to adopt standards for the project that's become a mess, okay? We can rename the composite 1 for a similar name from the others. With the composition selected, Enter key, and we can change the name that the software chosen previously. For example, my composition again 003, okay? If I turn off this here, with 2 clicks, we can put this in my timeline, okay? 2 clicks, and I put this in timeline. They are different composition, okay? Well, we changed the background color only to differentiate this composition, because they are current empty. This color, it's a background of my scene, and we need to be careful with the choice of this color, because they will change the graphical results of my project, okay? In this case, we do these different colors only to differentiate these different types of compositions, okay? What happened? We have a little mess here, okay? Only 3 compositions different. And we can see that in browser too, okay? First up, HDTV format black background. Second one, TV format, blue background. Third one, web format, red background. And do not forget to save this project, the stage where we are. Okay? Fine. Save as, or save if I save. I put my project in my project again and improve my project, okay? Let's go to the next training video. Thank you and see you later.
Everything has its beauty, but not everyone sees it. Confucius.
Ensino gratuito de tecnologia? Eu abraço essa causa. Abraço você também.